BTS versus Blackpink. BTS is a South Korean K-pop boy band and Blackpink is a South Korean K-pop girl group. BTS debuted on 12th June 2013 and Blackpink debuted on August 8, 2016. BTS has 7 members and Blackpink has 4 members. As of 2023, BTS has released a total of 235 songs and Blackpink has released a total of 33 songs. BTS currently has over 76 million subscribers on their official YouTube channel and 74 million followers on their official Instagram account. Blackpink currently has 92 million subscribers on their official YouTube channel and over 57 million followers on their official Instagram account. BTS net worth is around 150 million USD and Blackpink net worth is around 62 million USD. Let's see which group fans are most in the world. Blackpink armies, like this video, and BTS armies, comment.